Shadow cannot chase you. Get him. Get him. That's why I need a dog with energy. Shadow don't have no energy except for at night. It's like that. On the plate.
Oh, she's got energy all day long.
Oh yeah, that's right. She a pit bull?
I don't know actually. I think she's a terrier. This is the way that her
I didn't even know that.
Yeah, makes sense. You do like some short
Yeah. Get some shoes or something. You know,
I don't know. She won't wear shoes.
Is that fun, Shadow? That was fun, wasn't it? Finally playing with a dog. What's her name?
Her name's Nellie.
Nellie?
Do you mind if I ask why you have the camera?
Oh, this is for YouTube. His YouTube channel is Shadow and Me.
Okay.
And yeah, we got 26 subscribers.
There you go.
2,600.
There you go. I didn't know if it was for like protection since she's like a pit bull or something like that. But
oh no. But he does get into it a lot with there's a certain type of dog, like short haired dogs like this, he love them, but well he don't love nothing. So I gotta take that back. But I know for sure he'll get into it with the fuzzy kind of dog.
Yeah,
The
I was
furry.
here one day when he got into it with one of the shepherds.
Yeah, oh, you was here? Okay,
Yeah.
yeah. And that was, I watched that video so many times. What it was, I noticed with him, he does this bull run and he just bumps. That's what he did. He
Yeah.
bumped the shepherd, and then I seen him do it again, so I know what's going on. When dogs are running like this, he can't run like this. So he just waits till where they can come. He does
Yeah.
a tackle, bump, and then I seen another
Play to your
dog.
size. Play to your size. Play to your size.
Yeah, he weighs 20, no, not 20, 60 something pounds. I just took him to the vet,
You stocky, huh?
and they said you could lose 5 pounds.
Hey, you just got some extra blubber for the winter, huh?
Tired? Glad. I'm so glad about your dog. Seriously.
Yeah.
What's your name one more time?
Nelly.
Nelly. All right, Nelly.
Go, girl, go.
But really, you need to be playing with Nelly.
Nelly's number one.
Okay, Shelly, we finna go. We finna do it. It's not this type of fur, but I think you know what kind of fur I'm talking about. I think
Yeah.
it's a curly kind of fur.
Hi.
Hey, how y'all doing? Good. Thanks for checking it out. Helping him out. Y'all have a good day. Dallas. Nope. We need to start. Come on. I saw you there. Go ahead and get to it, Shadow. What myself? It's so cold out here though, bro. Ah. Who is that? There's more to life than hay, Shadow. Come on, let's go. One, me know. Why? You got hair all over. Come here. Shallow. Come here. That help. Wait. You love this. Nobody here, no dog, no human. Got the whole place. Sliding. Now, why are you sliding for, bro? That's nasty. People don't want to see that, bro. Who's that, Fido? Was that Fido? Who was that, huh? Where the gang at? We don't come out here in the cold, bro. Oh, man. Making a mess. Courtney gonna have to clean off the paws. Where Courtney at, Shelly? Where Courtney? Yeah, somebody dropped the turd right there. over and over again. Hold on for a second. Come on. Up. Nope. Come on. Come on. Up. Yes. Come on. Alright, shut up. You can't be disobedient like that, bro. Come on. I know you're a bulldog. Come on. Up. No, that's what I want. Come on. You gotta be able to do it. Train for this. You did this over 100 times. Come on. Up. Good boy. Good boy. Come on. Yes. Good boy. Good boy, yeah. Good boy. Come on, let's do it again. Oh, we got another one. Hey. Come on. Up. Good boy. Good boy. Ooh, that dog thing. That's all I wanted, y'all. Come here. Come here. Come here. Go ahead. Sit. Yes. Good boy. Come on. Now can you go up this thing? Up and down. Up. Yes. Good boy. Good boy, Shadow. Good boy. Good boy. Come on. Yes. Yes, boy. Yes. Yes. Gotta get you back on there, bro. Whoa. This dog ain't no joke right here. This one right here. That's ready to go home? Come on. 1, 2, 3. All right, Shadow. Say bye. Say bye. He did good he did good to the end.
What happened?
You just try to rush a dog huger than him. If that dog would have came after you, Shadow, you'd have been out of there.
What did the other dog do?
Nothing. Like, boy, I will hurt you. Let's not even play these type of games.